10 best places to visit in Germany. Guten Tag, everyone. Welcome back to Travel Treasures, the channel that explores the wonders of the world. Today, we're taking you on a journey through one of Europe's most captivating countries, Germany. From historic castles to vibrant cities, Germany offers a rich tapestry of experiences. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 10 best places to visit in Germany. Number 1. Neuschwanstein Castle. Neuschwanstein Castle, a true embodiment of fairy tale magic, stands proudly amidst the breathtaking panorama of the Bavarian Alps in Germany. Perched on a rugged hilltop, this iconic 19th century castle is a masterpiece of Romanesque revival architecture. Its spires reach for the sky, and its turrets are adorned with ornate carvings and intricate balconies. Commissioned by Ludwig II of Bavaria, the castle is a tribute to medieval chivalry and serves as a testament to the king's romantic imagination. Surrounded by lush forests and overlooking serene lakes, Neuschwanstein Castle transports visitors into a world of enchantment. As if plucked from the pages of a storybook, Neuschwanstein Castle continues to captivate hearts, drawing travelers from around the globe into its spellbinding allure. Number 2. Nuremberg. Nuremberg, a city steeped in history and brimming with charm, is a captivating destination in the heart of Bavaria, Germany. Known for its medieval architecture, Nuremberg's well-preserved old town transports visitors back in time. Cobblestone streets wind through the city, leading to the towering Nuremberg Castle, a symbol of the city's historical significance. One of Nuremberg's most iconic landmarks is the Hauptmarkt, the central square where the famous Nuremberg Christmas market takes place. The market, one of the oldest and most picturesque in Europe, fills the air with the scent of mulled wine, gingerbread, and roasted nuts during the holiday season. Nuremberg's medieval walls, ancient churches, and museums provide endless opportunities for exploration. The city's vibrant art scene, lively festivals, and welcoming atmosphere make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a blend of rich history, cultural experiences, and culinary delights in the heart of Bavaria. Number 3. The Romantic Road. The Romantic Road, or Romantische in German, is a scenic route that winds its way through the picturesque landscapes of southern Germany. Stretching approximately 400 kilometers, 250 miles, from Würzburg in the north to Füssen in the south, this iconic route is a journey through medieval towns, charming villages, vineyards, and fairy tale castles. One of the highlights of the Romantic Road is Würzburg, a city known for the splendid Würzburg residence, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its lively old main bridge, adorned with statues of saints. Augsburg, one of Germany's oldest cities, offers a mix of historical sites and modern attractions, while Füssen serves as the gateway to the fairy tale Neuschwanstein Castle, perched on a hill overlooking the Bavarian Alps. The Romantic Road is not merely a route, it's a journey through time and a celebration of Germany's medieval heritage. Number 4. Dresden. Dresden, often referred to as the Florence on the Elbe, is a city in eastern Germany celebrated for its rich cultural heritage, stunning architecture, and artistic treasures. Situated on the banks of the Elbe River, Dresden is a city that seamlessly merges the old and the new. The Altstadt, Old Town, is a tapestry of architectural marvels, including the iconic Frauenkirche, a Baroque church with a fascinating history that mirrors the city's resilience. The Zwinger Palace, a masterpiece of German Baroque architecture, houses museums and galleries that showcase impressive art collections, while the Semperoper, one of the world's most beautiful opera houses, offers captivating performances. The city's green spaces, like the picturesque Grosser Garten, provide a serene retreat amidst the urban bustle. Dresden's cultural scene is vibrant, with numerous festivals, concerts, and events throughout the year. Number 5. Cologne Cathedral. Cologne Cathedral, or Kölner Dom, stands as a magnificent testament to Gothic architecture on the banks of the Rhine River in Cologne, Germany. This awe-inspiring masterpiece took over 6 centuries to complete and is renowned not only for its remarkable size but also for its intricate design and historical significance. The cathedral's exterior is a marvel of intricate stone carving, featuring numerous spires, gargoyles, and statues that seem to come to life against the backdrop of the sky. Its twin spires reach towards the heavens, dominating the Cologne skyline and serving as a beacon for both pilgrims and tourists. One of the most revered treasures within the cathedral is the Shrine of the Three Kings, a golden sarcophagus said to contain the remains of the biblical Magi, making it a significant pilgrimage site. The Cologne Cathedral's history is as fascinating as its architecture. It miraculously survived the bombings of World War II, standing tall amid the ruins, a symbol of hope and resilience for the people of Cologne. Number 6. Zugspitze. Zugspitze, the crown jewel of the Bavarian Alps, proudly stands as Germany's highest peak, offering a breathtaking panorama of snow-capped mountains, pristine glaciers, and lush valleys. Situated on the border between Germany and Austria, Zugspitze is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, providing a wealth of activities and natural wonders. During the winter months, Zugspitze transforms into a winter wonderland, inviting skiers and snowboarders to carve through powdery slopes and enjoy the thrill of alpine sports. The Gletscherbahn, or glacier cable car, takes visitors to the glacier plateau, ensuring year-round snow for winter sports enthusiasts. In the warmer seasons, Zugspitze becomes a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. Additionally, the Zugspitze region offers activities like paragliding, mountain biking, and even summer skiing on the glacier. Visitors can also relax in the Zugspitztherme, a thermal spa with pools and saunas, providing the perfect rejuvenating experience after a day of outdoor adventures. Number 7. Heidelberg Castle. Perched majestically upon the lush green hills overlooking the Neckar River, Heidelberg Castle is a remarkable blend of history, architecture, and scenic beauty. Located in the charming town of Heidelberg, Germany, this iconic castle stands as a symbol of both the city's rich heritage and the enduring allure of medieval Europe. Dating back to the 13th century, Heidelberg Castle boasts a complex architectural style that evolved over several centuries, incorporating elements of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque design. Visitors to Heidelberg Castle can explore its various buildings and courtyards, each with its own story to tell. The castle's terrace offers panoramic views of the Neckar Valley, the town of Heidelberg, and the distant hills, providing a picturesque backdrop for visitors to capture memorable moments. Heidelberg Castle is not just an architectural marvel, it is steeped in history and folklore. Tales of princes, wars, and cultural exchanges echo through its halls, adding a layer of intrigue to the visitor's experience. Number 8. Black Forest. The Black Forest, or Schwarzwald in German, is a magical and enchanting region located in southwestern Germany. Covering a vast area of picturesque landscapes, this dense, darkly wooded mountain range is famous for its fairy tale-like charm, charming villages, and a wealth of outdoor activities. One of the defining features of the Black Forest is its thick canopy of trees that creates an almost mystical atmosphere. Visitors can explore a myriad of hiking trails that wind through ancient forests, revealing hidden waterfalls, crystal-clear streams, and serene lakes. In the fall, the forest transforms into a vibrant canvas of autumnal colors, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. Nestled within the forest are quaint villages adorned with half-timbered houses, each exuding its own unique charm. These villages, such as Triberg and Titisee Neustadt, are perfect for leisurely strolls, indulging in traditional Black Forest cuisine, and discovering local crafts and traditions. For those seeking adventure, the Black Forest offers opportunities for activities such as rock climbing, paragliding, and skiing in the winter months. The region's ski resorts, like Feldberg, provide excellent slopes for both beginners and experienced skiers. Number 9. Sanssouci Palace. Sanssouci Palace, a true jewel of German Rococo architecture, graces the picturesque city of Potsdam, just outside Berlin. Translating to "without worries" in French, Sanssouci Palace lives up to its name as a place of pure tranquility and aesthetic delight. Commissioned by Frederick the Great, King of Prussia, in the mid-18th century, Sanssouci Palace served as his summer retreat and a testament to his refined taste. The palace is a harmonious blend of elegance and simplicity, adorned with ornate decorations, pastel-colored facades, and charming sculptures, all set against a backdrop of lush gardens and vineyards. The palace's interior is equally captivating, featuring lavishly decorated rooms that reflect the opulence of the era. Visitors can explore the grand chambers, including the magnificent marble hall and the king's study, each meticulously restored to showcase the splendor of Frederick the Great's reign. Sanssouci Palace and its park have been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, acknowledging their cultural and historical significance. Number 10. Romantic Rhine Valley. Nestled along the meandering course of the Rhine River, the romantic Rhine Valley is a picturesque region in Germany that seems to have been plucked straight from the pages of a fairy tale. This enchanting stretch of the Rhine, flanked by steep vineyards, charming medieval towns, and ancient castles, exudes an undeniable romantic allure. One of the best ways to experience the romantic Rhine Valley's charm is by taking a leisurely boat ride on the Rhine River. As you glide along the water, the vineyards, castles, and charming villages create a scenic panorama that is nothing short of magical. In fact, the entire area has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, acknowledging its cultural and historical significance. Whether you're exploring ancient castles, or simply admiring the stunning views, the romantic Rhine Valley captures the essence of romance and timelessness, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a truly enchanting experience in Germany. And there you have it, folks, our list of the 10 best places to visit in Germany. Whether you're a history buff, nature enthusiast, or simply looking for an unforgettable adventure, Germany has something special for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Auf Wiedersehen, and see you on the next adventure.